Param Shanti Bapuji. This video is in continuation to our earlier video. So far in our last video we have talked about the Lord Shiva and Shankara, with whom to meditate, Jyotirlinga, the three forms of Lord Shiva, the creator of Lord Shiva, time relevance with the gods, when the soul attains salvation and many more. I would request my viewers who have not watched the first part of the session, kindly see it first before watching this video. Bapuji, please explain us further.
I was telling that the souls who are coming from the different galaxies in our solar systems have the recording of all the solar system, since they gather the information while they wander all around in different galaxies and the solar systems. The souls from different galaxies visit our solar system. They inspire the souls for new inventions and discoveries for living on the earth. The mobiles are the product of the inspiration given by the souls coming from other galaxies. They give a ray of light and energy which is nothing but the inspiration. Some souls have given the knowledge of solar system, galaxy, and infinite countless universes. Earlier our ancient sages instigate the souls to write what they see and vision through their divine eye. Our myths and scriptures are written 5,000 years back. Earlier the souls were having energy, they comprehend and observe what is communicated to the people verbally and orally. What they listened was recorded in their soul and then they enlightened others with their knowledge. The verse that reveals history and geography of our Brahmans. Our old and ancient Hindu-Indian scriptures means the history of boundless and countless universes.
Bapuji, there is belief that God is omnipresent. His divine presence is everywhere.
This is a common belief of people following the path of worship and devotion. Almighty Authority is the God of all souls, therefore it is very much true to say God is omnipresent. All the souls are the children of Absolute Atman or Supreme Souls. The whole cosmos or the world is made from one drop of power or the speck of God. Whatever we can see, sand, mountains, land, all are from the power of God particle. What we have learned on the path of worship, God is present in every human. God is inside every being. This was the practice so that people don't go into sinful acts.
Very true.
That's why it was said, you don't see any being as human but see as the energy and as an atom of God. When you practice this, soul will not indulge in any sinful and immoral activities. Will anybody indulge in corruption or bad deeds with each other if they see each other as one God and His magnificent creation? This practice was taught by our sages and Rishi Munis in order to bring the habit of doing good karmas and to save the Mother Earth from the burden of vice. That's why they recited such stories and believed that God is omnipresent. As many God particles, so are the forms of God. Science says that there are countless solar systems more than sand particles on Earth. Same is with our universe. It is countless and infinite. The person understands when his intellectual power rises and he follows the path of wisdom and knowledge. Soul gets wisdom and becomes knowledgeful. As soul get wisdom and spiritual enlightens, it attains the stage of self-realization. As soul churns the ocean views, it goes into deep knowledge. It gets giant intellect. After attaining deep spiritual knowledge, it no more remains the frog of the well, instead turns into fish in the ocean.
Bapuji, my last question, will the Shiva of this solar system transform the whole or will destruct?
I have mentioned and talked in my early videos about universal transformation. I have said there will be no destruction but transformation will happen. There will be the whole transformation and change into the supreme elemental world by the Almighty Authority, starting from the solar system to galaxy to universe to great universes to great universes to multiverse. There will not be havoc. Whatever it may be, the Kalki Avatar or the Third World War, the Almighty Authority not let demolition happen. If it was destined to happen, it would have happened long back. It is very easy task for the spirits if they access the human body and command his mind to switch on the missile, it will take a second to finish the existence. All have become demons. The scientist who has become devils has made the means of destruction. Therefore, what they will do with these destructive weapons? Those who make the instruments to kill masses are the demons. Actually, meditative powers have become the means of destruction. There are many people who are using their meditative powers and thoughts for destruction. So what you will call such people? We will call them destructive group of people. This destructive group of people will get punished for their sins. The power in their thoughts that they attain through their meditation practices, and the vibrations created in the atmosphere had led to development of destructive weapons. But I have repetitively said in all of my videos that there will be transformation, not destruction. The 5 elements of the world will turn into ultimate supreme elements. The whole multiverse means 100 celestial degrees universe, and his creator is ultimate supreme raised to the power 100 times great Shiva. It means raised to power 100 of Param. Maha Shiva is the creator of multiverse. All the multiverse is stuck in 5 elements and will transform into ultimate elements.
Bapuji, lots of people ask me questions: what is the proof of existence of Shiva, Great Shiva, Supreme Great Shiva? Then I gave them the reference of one story read in the literature from ISKCON community. We have made one video on it also. In that they have talked in relevance to the existence of Shiva, Great Shiva, and Supreme Great Shiva. But Bapuji, would you say something about this?
Science is giving simple and straight proof. Earlier the science was not so much developed. Who is developing science? Almighty Authority by sending itself inspiration, and therefore scientists are working with this inspiration. As I have said in my videos that science is merely an instrument. Even scientist has admitted that, there is an inspiration power who is giving inspiration to us. So he, the Almighty Authority, is the source of inspiration. Scientists have shared their experience that at times they don't receive any inspirational powers or signals and they carry the invention for 10 to 15 years, and at times it takes seconds to go with the invention process. Sometimes, it happened that inventions were successfully done without putting any efforts. Thus the science is working on inspirational and motivational platform given by the Almighty Authority. We knew what the stars looked like before. Those giant stars are the solar system. We call one solar system as Brahmand. About infinite countless universes is written in our scriptures.
Scientists have pointed out that there are suns millions times larger than our sun.
Yes, these are millions and millions times larger. There is giant sun. Science has figured out 200 billion solar systems in our galaxy. They have recorded through the supercomputers. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. The creator of Milky Way is Maha Shiva. If there is Maha Shiva, it is proved the existence of his creation, galaxy. There should be some driving force in the galaxy?
Yes, it should be. If a piece of stone on this earth can't move by itself, then how come these big stones can? There should be someone who is driving it.
Our galaxy is 1 lakh light years far. What is its gravity? Billions of sun is orbiting around it. They are revolving with the gravity power.
Sun is said to be sun god in our scriptures.
Surya Narayan is the god of sun. Their stage deteriorated and they become from angel to deity to man. Earlier the sun was made up of the ultimate fire element, means Param Agni Tattva. Earlier the light of sun was soft and radiant with the ultimate supreme light. Gradually, God of the sun became human. The light of sun that was soft, radiant, and of ultimate elements converted into physical gross elements. The supreme fire elements turned to fire elements.
What is beyond Shiva, Maha Shiva, and Param Maha Shiva?
Further beyond is the universes. Our visible universe is spread to 156 billion light years. The scientist with their supercomputers has found million of galaxies to the extent of 79 billion light years. I have said our universe is of 1200 billion light years.
Bapuji, the knowledge of 21 generation, also called 21 piti, which you have told us is amazing and beyond science.
Those who are interested and knowledgeable, those souls came from the boundless and infinite ages, those who have come in human form from the deities, those who are the creation of the Almighty Authority and was created for the transformation process will listen these videos. Please do share the link with everybody. You can see our videos on history of universe, moving further up to multiverse, today's multiverse, 21 generation universes and further boundless and infinite universes. This will increase your intellectual and wit to manifold. You will understand the Creator and its boundless creation. You will attain wisdom to the extreme level. But this will be understood only by the unlimited and the infinite souls, that is Behad ki Atmas.
That is not our problem. These are meant for those who are looking for such knowledge. It is irrelevant for those who are not in search. Here, I would like to request my viewers that more the videos of Bapuji will be shared on social media, the more message will be conveyed to the masses through you, and you may do good to another souls. Therefore, please share videos as much as possible and also subscribe the channel. I would say those who are contacting us, please see videos first and understand it. Know yourself. Who are we? Why we have come on this earth? What is the extreme supreme knowledge? Why we are the supreme souls? Bapuji, your knowledge is wonderful. Please understand. For easy access, I have made different playlists which are well defined and segregated content wise, like there are 20 videos on meditation, 15 videos on aliens. For the beginners, playlist is made so that they can definitely start watching videos from the basics. Further, we have made 12 to 13 different playlists, clubbed all the related videos in one. You will find it easy to locate. There are 1000 plus videos of Bapuji on different topics. Would you like to say something, Bapuji?
I would like to evoke all the supreme unlimited souls to understand this knowledge and wake up. Time is not now. It's time to bring the changes and transformation. We need to change the whole multiverse. I evoke all the supreme souls, who wish to work in the transformation process, those who want to absorb this knowledge and want to gain extreme unlimited earnings. Those people going in Brahma Kumari Institute are familiar that the responsible souls will become the masters of the world. The souls who are the masters and the creators of the worlds, those are the 108 seed souls. I call them to come in our connection and handle their duties of transformation and bringing new evolution. We want to start this process at the earliest. I welcome all those responsible seed souls who will bring change to the whole multiverse. The world cannot have much time. Are you watching the fragile state of the world? When I look at the news, I don't feel like eating, there is so pain and agony. This fragile state doesn't hold to only to our solar system. It's the same in our galaxies and universes. We need to change the mortal world into immortal world. That means 5 elements will change into supreme elements. Therefore, I invite the high-quality supreme souls to understand this knowledge and extend their efforts in the transformation process.
Bapuji, it is the goal of your life. You are telling us about the liberation and salvation of life. This is our ultimate goal. If we will not give time behind our target, then we'll rush behind whom?
Whatever we see from the naked eyes is false. In the path of devotion it is said what we see is all temporary and devastating. Do we take anything along after death? I have seen so many people in my life who earned crores of money by means of sins. When they die, their children used the money for riotously. What the man earned his whole life? He only accumulated sins throughout his life and the money used for riotous. I request everyone to watch the videos and listen to the knowledge. Be wise soul. Be the ultimate wise soul. All is illusion, false, and lie. Nothing will remain permanent. They are creating illusions. The people who are saying 5,000 years world drama and creating havoc by their vibrations are the destructive group. I evoke people to come and join our transformational group. Forget the word destruction. Whatever you will think you will make. Destruction word damages your causal body. Do you love the word destruction? No, so work for transformation. We will bring immoral world. There will be no death. I request all to be in our connection for the world transformation process.
Bapuji, we are very much thankful to you for revealing us all the secrets which you have not shared earlier. Definitely, this video will be hit and people will understand. If we need to make a book on this, it will be of 200 to 300 pages. But you have made it so simpler that anyone will understand this knowledge in your video. Bapuji, your eternal thanks. Parma Shanti.
Param Shanti.